kill the Batman. Why so serious? Why so serious? Why so serious? I am Mr. Shambura, and I am saying the famous lines of the Joker. Whatever doesn't kill you makes you simply stranger. Enough with the clown. But the Joker was not just a stranger. He became a weirdo, a painkiller drug addict, a dead naked corpse in a 50,000 rented apartment in downtown Manhattan. Shame on the dark night that took the life of the real Joker. Sometimes I ask myself, what if the Joker said the real quote, whatever doesn't kill you makes you stronger, instead of a stranger? Would Heath Ledger be alive now? Would we have seen him stepping into the Oscar podium receiving the Academy Award? Whatever. Who cares? It was a blockbuster movie anyway, and we saw a nice movie. And why so serious?